how to use CapCut for beginners. On your CapCut, then simply click on the edit that is on the left down corner and click on the new project. You can add any videos you want to add. Then you can scroll and add specific features in a specific part. You can also add another video clicking on the plus button. Here you go, you have added the another video. You can add other features like there are so many features in the down footer. You can add speed, you can enhance your voice, you can also choose how much volume you want to add, and there is also another option to add sounds. You can simply click on the sounds and select any sound you want to add, and you can scroll your video like that. And there are other features like you can add text and specify the text for how many seconds you want and where you want. There are also other features like you can add stickers, and you can specify time for stickers as well, and you can place it wherever you want. There are other options too like drawing, and you can also add filters to your video whichever you like, and you can also adjust the filters. And there is one option called background. You can add your brand colors to your background and also images as a background. So there are a lot of features in CapCut. Thank you for watching this video.